Did you know? In the mid-16th century, it is thought that the Aztec people believed that the tears of children would cause rainfall. Indeed, many child sacrifices have apparently been discovered, supposedly offered up to the Aztec god of rain, fertility, and water, Tlaloc. In order to ensure maximum effect, it seems the children may have been chosen because they were already crying. Many child sacrifices show signs of tooth decay, cavities and abscesses, very painful. Others show sign of chronic disease or infected bones, again causing them to cry. All apparently to have maximum effect up until the moment of sacrifice to Tlaloc. Now, some of this evidence is circumstantial. Ill children doesn't necessarily mean crying for sacrifice, and many of these observations were made by people outside of Aztec culture, for example, Hernan Cortés himself. Accusations of infanticide are commonly used in political disputes. Famously, Rome accused Carthage of precisely the same thing. But it's extremely rainy here at Archeosoup Towers today. Indeed, I opened the curtains to find a snail having climbed almost to the roof. I only hope that this wet weather hasn't been caused by someone crying.